Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Excel background white. First, let's adjust the overall Office theme. Go to File, then Options, and select General. Under Office Theme, choose White or Colorful. This instantly brightens your entire Excel interface, giving it a much cleaner, lighter appearance across all your Office applications. It's a quick and easy way to start. Next, let's tackle those subtle grid lines that can still make your sheet look busy. Head over to the View tab in the Excel ribbon. You'll see a Show group there. Simply uncheck the box next to Grid Lines. This action will immediately remove all the lines, making your worksheet background appear as a solid, clean white canvas, perfect for a polished look. For a more definitive white background, especially if you're working with specific ranges, you can directly fill cells with white. Select the cells you want to change, or click the top left corner to select the entire sheet. Then, on the Home tab, find the Fill Color bucket icon. Click it and choose the Pure White option. This ensures every selected cell has a solid white background. When it comes to printing, your white background settings are important. By default, grid lines usually don't print, but it's good to double-check. Go to Page Layout, then Print Titles, and in the Page Setup dialog, ensure Grid Lines is unchecked under the Sheet tab. Filling cells with white color, as we discussed, provides the most reliable way to ensure a completely white background on your printed documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.